think it started. Oh, there we go. There's the birthday girl herself. Happy birthday, Madam Jaja.
Thank you.
How you feel today on your 12th birthday?
I feel good.
She feel good. What you got in that box over there?
This box?
Well, that already gone cheesecake. That's what's up. So I'm going to say happy birthday to my baby. You ready?
Yes.
Because we can't forget this awesome birthday today when my baby turned 12. So we're going to sing real quick, okay? You ready, Bryson? You going to join me?
Yes.
When I do like this, you're going to join me, okay?
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear princess. Happy birthday to you. I love you, I do. Ooh. Happy birthday to you. Say, Bryce, look at the camera. Happy
Birthday to you.
Yes.
Happy birthday,
Dear Kiaza, happy birthday to you. We love you, Jaja. Kisses. Mwah. Happy birthday. What you say, Bryson? Happy birthday. You want to say anything?
No.
Say bye.
Bye.
Next year, that's my princess.
Cheese.